Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 super easy and budget-friendly decor hacks to transform your room into a cozy haven. Let's dive right in. First up, let's create a stunning gallery wall. Gather some of your favorite photos or even magazine clippings. I have 3 photos here that I really like, including this one with roses. Yeah. You can use washi tape for an easy, no damage way to stick them to the wall. Arrange them in a fun pattern and voila, instant art. Next, let's repurpose some glass jars. You can paint them, wrap them with twine, or even fill them with flowers. These make beautiful vases or organizers for your desk. Plus, it's a great way to recycle. Voila! For our third hack, let's make some DIY throw pillows. You can use old t-shirts or fabric scraps or even new t-shirts if you like that. Just cut them to size, sew or glue the edges, and stuff them with pillow inserts. This is a fun way to add color and texture to your space. Let's turn this boring pillow into this. All I did was use some flannel. Oh yeah. Next, let's add some magic with some LED string lights. Wow. You can drape them along your wall, wrap them around your headboard, or hang them in a jar for a cozy glow. I have mine on the wall behind me and it wraps around my whole room. They're perfect for creating a warm ambience. Wow. Finally, let's bring in some greenery. Indoor plants not only look great, but also purify the air. If you don't have any plants, you can use fake ones too. Arrange them on shelves or hang them in macrame hangers for an instant upgrade. And there you have it. 5 easy decor hacks that can completely change your space without breaking the bank. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.